This tutorial will show you how to install an aftermarket radio for Fiat 500 car models, as well as set up Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For your safety, please pay attention to the warnings on screen now. The first step is to remove these four caps and expose the holes which the radio removal keys will be inserted. Insert the keys to about halfway in until you feel a click. Then, while applying outward pressure, pull the keys and the radio out. You can see here how the removal keys unclip the radio. When the radio has been removed, unplug both the radio antenna on the right and the power cables on the left of the device and put it to one side. Now, using a Phillips head 2 screwdriver, remove these two screws which hold the air ducts in place. Once loose, put the air ducts to one side. At this point, you may choose to remove the metal frame that held the old radio. I would suggest you remove this as it makes managing your cables much easier. It is held in place by a screw on either side and one at the back of the radio box. Now, we can begin installing the new radio unit. Take the power harness and plug both the white and gray leads into the end of the adapter. Ensure the connections are secure and the car's power supply cables have clipped into the adapter. At this point, make sure the CAN bus decoder, the little plastic box, is properly connected to the power harness. This is responsible for interpreting your car's steering wheel buttons and other sensors. Now, inspect the car's radio cable and find which adapter you need. In this vehicle, I needed to plug the metal pin onto the end of the antenna cable. Now we can plug the harness and other cables into the back of the unit. Ensure the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna is connected. This is the cable with the long yellow cables coming off. Now plug in both the cables coming off the power harness to their ports on the back of the unit. We can now plug in the radio cable to the green antenna port. This is a good time to test the wiring by turning the car on. The unit should power up if the car's ignition is on. If your unit doesn't power up at this point, please do not worry. You need to turn the car off and unplug the red and yellow wires labeled ACC. Then plug it into the other set of red and yellow wires in the power harness. This is because different Fiat 500 models and years have slightly different wiring. Please then turn the car's ignition and the unit should power on. You may notice that if you remove the key from the ignition and turn the car back on, it boots up instantly. This is bad as it means the unit is continuously drawing power from the car. To stop this, please go to Apps, Car Settings, Factory Settings. Enter the code 1617. Customize settings. Sleep power off and select Power Off after closing ACC. To make the unit work with your steering wheel buttons, go to Car Settings, Factory Settings, enter code 1617, select CAN type settings, then set your CAN type. It may already say Fiat 500, but instead click Raise on the left. Then find Fiat and select your Fiat 500 model. Steering wheel buttons will now work as seen here. Now the unit is ready to be fully installed. Ensure the cables are neatly tucked behind the unit, then simply push the unit into place. Connect to the device's Bluetooth with the code 0000 and CarPlay should automatically connect. Thank you for following our tutorial. A like and review of the product on our website would be greatly appreciated.